Well, we're getting new reaction tonight to Governor Braun's announcement about expanded immigration enforcement in Indiana.
The governor says state agencies will help detain undocumented immigrants. Today, our Jenny Runovich talked with immigration advocates about the potential impact of this.
Advocates at the Immigrant Welcome Center in Indianapolis are worried, concerned the ICE enforcement agreement signed by Governor Braun could breed fear and mistrust.
Nobody's face says I'm documented or I'm undocumented. I'm a brown woman, I'm an immigrant, I'm a U.S. citizen. So if I'm driving a car and I'm stopped, my fear is the fear of any other person. This is going to perpetuate the feeling of I'm not welcome.
The pending 287G agreement between Indiana and ICE would delegate some federal immigration enforcement powers to local or state officers, Indiana State Police, the Department of Corrections, the Department of Homeland Security. ICE telling 13 News, state troopers, for example, at a DUI checkpoint could flag someone and share information directly with ICE. Officers could also participate in ICE-led task forces. Troopers first will get training. How much, though, is unclear. Immigration attorney John Broyle says in the past,
4 weeks at the Law Enforcement Academy is what we've been told.
But he worries that's not enough for local or state police to handle the nuance of immigration issues.
You know, just determining what somebody's immigration status is, whether a crime makes them deportable, is an extremely complex area of law. Our fear is it can lead to unnecessary detentions, prolonged detentions while somebody tries to figure it out.
Under the 287G agreement, the Miami Correctional Facility is making 1,000 beds available to ICE, about a third of its total capacity.
That's a lot of people.
Camp Atterbury available to house 1,000 people too, but how it'll work specifically, still unknown.
We don't know if Atterbury is going to go live, if so, when. There's just a lack of information.
Which has immigration advocates frustrated and worried. In Indianapolis, Jenny Runovich, 13 News.
And tonight, new data suggests ICE arrests across the state have increased significantly.
According to the Deportation Data Project, ICE arrested close to 1,400 people in Indiana in just the first 6 months of this year. Added up, and that's an 80% increase compared to the same time frame last year.
Now, in June alone, Indiana saw more than 300 ICE arrests. 55 of those people had no criminal charges or convictions.